Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. My name is Joanna and today I'm going to show you how to do the magic circle in crochet. I've also heard it called the magic ring. It's an adjustable ring that helps you get started with any round or circular project in crochet. I use it for hats, balls, bags, to name a few. I've been crocheting for almost 40 years and I've made more projects with the magic circle than I can count. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to do it that will have you confident in doing it in no time. You're going to start by taking the end of your yarn and hold it in your thumb like this. Then you're going to wrap it around your hand, making an X in the front of your hand and two parallel lines of yarn in the back of your hand. You're going to take your hook, pass it under the first line, and take a hold of the second one. You're going to bring it past the front line with your hook face down. Once you get it under that first line, you're going to turn your hook and face it up. Now you have a stitch on your hook. Keep it nice and loose. And now you're going to go and hook this piece and pull it through that stitch. Sometimes it wants to fight you. Well, once you get it through, you have your magic ring. Now I'm going to show you how to do some stitches with your magic ring. We'll do some single crochet. I'll do about 8 of them because that's usually what I start with when I'm starting a project. Now if the loop feels too big while you're crocheting, you're going to take that free end and you're going to pull it just a little bit. This is where the magic happens. It's going to shrink that ring just a little bit and then continue crocheting on. We're going to, like I said, we're going to do the 8 stitches. Once you're done your 8 stitches, hold them in place and pull that free end again until it's nice and tight. Then you're going to join your first and last stitch with a slip stitch. Pull the end nice and tight and there's your circle. And that's how you're going to begin any circular project. So take time this week to practice that magic circle. Practice doing the stitches that you're familiar with, the single crochet, the double crochet, the half double crochet. I know we've covered all of those in our previous videos. This will get you well prepared for our next crochet video, where we're going to be making a crocheted winter hat to match the scarf that we previously made. I'll see you there.